In this video, I will show you how to find your Venmo debit card number using the app in a simple and clear way. Start by opening the Venmo app. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the app, you will land on the main home screen. Take a moment to make sure everything has fully loaded. Now look at the bottom of the screen where you will see the navigation menu. This menu has different icons that help you move through the app. From here, tap on the option that says Card. This is where your Venmo debit card information is stored. After tapping on it, the app will open the card section. On this screen, you will see a virtual version of your Venmo debit card. At first, you may only see limited details, such as the last 4 digits of your card number. This is normal for security reasons. To view more details, tap on the card image or the card itself. After you confirm your identity, your full debit card details will be revealed. Make sure you keep this information private and do not share it with anyone you do not trust. If you are already using apps like Venmo on your phone, you can also use that time to earn a bit of extra income online. There are platforms that reward you for simple tasks like testing apps or completing offers. You can check the link in the description to sign up to free cash for free and start earning in your spare time.